The EFCC finally drags former Nigerian Minister Stella Ofuah and others to court over alleged 7.9 billion naira fraud. Hello everyone, welcome to newsspottv. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, arraigned a former Minister of Aviation, Senator Stella Ofuah, before the Federal High Court, sitting in Abuja on a 25-count charge. Ofuah, who served as Aviation Minister from 2011 to 2014, is facing trial over an allegation that she laundered public funds to the tune of about 7.9 billion naira in connivance with 8 others. Other defendants in the charge marked FHC/ABJ/CR/316/20 are Gloria Odita, Nwosu Emmanuel Nnamdi, Chukwuma Irene Chinyere, Global Offshore and Marine Limited, Tip Top Global Resources Limited, Crystal Television Limited, and Shobora International Limited. However, the defendants, who were docked before trial, Justice Inyang Ekwo, on Friday, July 21, 2023, pleaded not guilty to the charge when it was read to them in the open courts. The Anti-Graft Agency, among other things, alleged that Ofuah, who also represented Anambra North in the Senate, and Odita, who was identified as her aide and the company secretary to Sea Petroleum and Gas Company Limited (SPGC), had in February 2014 used their positions to transfer the sum of 1.6 billion from SEC Security Nigeria Limited account to Global Offshore and Marine Limited account, also domiciled with First Bank PLC, which money they reasonably ought to have known that it formed part of the proceed of an unlawful act. The defendants were accused of opening a Naira anonymous private banking nominee account number 20244144450 with First Bank PLC, and thereby committed an offence contrary to Section 11 subsection 1 of the Money Laundering Prohibition Act 2011, as amended and punishable under Section 11 subsection 4A of the same Act. They were equally accused of opening a United States dollar anonymous private banking nominee account with First Bank PLC, and thereby committed an offence contrary to the law. Following the defendant's plea of innocence to all the allegations, trial judge Justice Ekwo allowed them to go home on the administrative bail the EFCC earlier granted to them. More so, the court directed the EFCC transfer the case file to the Office of the Attorney General of the Federation to ensure diligent prosecution of the defendants. Justice Ekwo adjourned the case till October 17th for trial. Let's take some comments. The first commenter said, "The leading women criminal chairlady." Another said, "How many Northerners have been dragged to court like they do to the Southerners always?" Another said, "EFCC is so confused they forgot their rules of engagement. Didn't they say a couple of days ago that they had nothing against Ofuah? All these people are not properly organized." Another person said, "What of Abamoro, the former Minister of Interior that sold fuel Nigerian force recruitment to thousands of people, and some people died during the process, but he was never held accountable for the deaths till today?" Another person said, "That woman, a powerful woman. Since they have been digging around her to nail her in the law courts, she has been dancing back to her home shouting, 'I won, I won.' Mama Stella don't chop tire." Okay, so those are the few comments that have trailed the EFCC, who have finally dragged former Nigerian Minister Stella Ofuah and others to court over alleged 7.9 billion naira fraud. Now, since 2011 to 2014, when Stella held forth as the aviation minister, she later went to the Senate. She also continued her political interest. But the truth of the matter is, this particular allegation has taken so much time and is still in court. The back and forth on this case has It's almost the norm in Nigeria where when it concerns the law, things are dragged and for many, many years. And most usually at the end of the day, they just get acquitted. And the case just dies off like that. There are even other so many other, like the Moro case, who sold recruitment to Nigerians, and it was never held accountable. So many more issues are still left hanging. And like some Nigerians will ask, they say, why are we still practicing the principle of animal farm where some animals are more equal than the other? Or why don't we have a law that will cut across everybody so that everybody will know where they stand with the law and make the justice system more appealing and more relevant? So that's the new information about Stella Ofuah. What's your own opinion on that? Please drop your comments in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Do remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. To our new subscribers, thank you so much for joining. And to existing subscribers, thank you for always stopping by. I'll see you in the next video. Have a lovely day. May God bless Nigeria. And bye for now.